नमस्कार, खुश रहो बिटियाओं। माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अस्मा खान, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैशन इंटीरियर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मेथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। सेशन नेम नॉन वूवन मटीरियल्स, subject name introduction to textile, being design, second semester. Characteristics of non-woven material. Non-woven material found good properties in and use. Those are absorbency, bacterial barriers. Absorbency is very important property of non-woven material. It provides good washability and cleaning of the material, and material is able to reuse. Bacterial barrier increase the properties and structure and life of the non-woven material. So the bacterial barrier is also very important property. Cushioning is based on the structure of the non-woven material. When a non-woven material is designed with the web formation and uh, other pattern of non-woven designing, cushioning is developed through the structure, and cushioning is increase the aesthetic appeal of the non-woven material. Filtering is similar like absorbency. Filtering property is provide good good structure, uh, complex structure to non-woven, and non-woven material is able to provide mm, good service through the filtering property. Example, when sun rays are give harmful effect to the plants in agrotextile, filtering provide the cover to the agriculture. So filtering is also important property. Flame retardancy. Sometimes flame retardancy is naturally increased in the through the structure of the material in non-woven, and sometimes it is developed with the PVC and other chemical material. So the non-woven materials are flame retardant, and sometimes they are especially designed with the finishing. Liquid replicancy, they are easily add the liquid and very fastly leave the liquid. So the liquid replicancy is also a good property. Resilience, softness. Non-woven materials are soft. Uh, Sometimes they are naturally soft after designing, and the structure of the chemical on the surface, and sometimes they are specially designed with the finishing or the pile cut. Example, non-woven textile in kaleen sector and the carpet sector. Stretch. Non-woven material have good stretchability, good strength. Washability. Washability is last but most important property of non-woven material. When non-woven material are able to wash and clean, they are reusable. So the all kind of non-woven material life is depend on washability, and the reusable materials also. All the reusable materials are designed with the washability property. Without washability property, reusable material are not designed in non-woven. They are generally disposable material. These all properties are based on non-woven design, their structure, and their end use. End use. Non-woven fabric can be engineered to give a wide variety of properties. Nevertheless, their aesthetic properties handle depth and appearance. These all properties are add in non-woven when the fabric is properly designed, or the non-woven is properly designed. When the non-woven structure is properly designed, the handle, drape and appearance naturally increase in the non-woven, are such that they are not in direct competition with the conventional fabric in outerwear market. They are not in competition with the outerwear market. Non-woven have their own market, own area, and they are designed for the agriculture textile, home textile, and medical textile, and the other technical textile. Woven and knitted fabric will not replaced by non-woven in their near future. So the non-woven have their own future and their own future research and their own market. Currently, the main area of the growth in non-woven are geotextile, medical, hospital, disposable product, and the filters. In other direction, non-woven end use, they are used in hygiene, building, wipes, others, civil engineering, upholstery, bed linen, example decor, filtration, floor covering, example carpets, medical textile, example medical equipments, medical dress, those are used in COVID-19. Also interlining material which is increase the aesthetic appeal of the non-woven footwear, leather, PVC leather which is used in the uh, handbag making and the footwear making, coating substrate garments. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. You, if you have some query with the with the with the session, you can comment in comment box. Thank you.